Using n at the end of a sentence softens your tone.
你要喝茶还是喝咖啡呢？
你要送他什么礼物呢？
If n follows the noun of a specific thing or person, then it indicates a question about location.
胡斯呢？
我的手机呢？
In English, if you want to know whether others are confronting the same situation, you would say, what about you? In Chinese, you may use 你呢?你们呢?
你去过北京吗？
去过，你呢？
Used at the end of a statement to stress the fact that conveyed in the sentence, so that you can better convince your listener. Normally said with an exaggerated tone.
我昨天晚上没睡觉。
我才不信你呢。
Applied at the end of a statement to emphasize that the movement or the condition is still going on.
他在上课呢。